Hi, it's me again, Cotton, the storytelling puppet. The anime is still, not feeling great. Hopefully she starts to feel better. Also, we have a puzzle. I'm gonna try to put the puzzles in the pieces. I know that sounds easy, but I'm a puppet. Yeah, I'm not feeling that great. And I promised you a 4-parter of Cotton now. And we already did the first 3 parts. No, this is the 3rd part on Veterans Day. There's 2 videos. And then there'll be 1 more. 4 parts of Cotton. This is the 3rd one. It's not that she doesn't want to be seen on camera. Nope, that's not it. It's just I promised you a 4-parter of Cotton now, so it's my turn. Let's try putting these characters in their spots. Like this. Let's try to... There you go. Let's stretch your mouth a little, because you're a puppet. Yeah, she's a puppet, or... Yeah, I'm just going to say puppet, because it's easier. Yeah, got it. Okay, let's get another one. Wee, lion. Okay. Really? This is harder than you think. I'm a puppet, for Pete's sakes. I'm a storytelling puppet who's apparently doing this for storytelling. It's not working. Yeah. Okay. Wee! Puppet! Yay! Get in! Get in line! In your spot! Yay! I got the lion! Now let's get this one over here. And flip it over first. Okay, what is it? It's a bunny. Let's put it in the bunny spot. Go, Cotton! Go, Cotton! Put it in the bunny spot. Now let's get the rest over here. And of course, the anime will post pictures on her Instagram and Facebook. Okay. Yeah. This is a cow. Moo. Go. In. Cow spot. Yay! I'm going to do the 4-parter. Okay, the 4th part will be me finishing this puzzle and maybe something else. We'll see. 4-part with Cotton the storyteller. And we might have a book. If we can find one. Jen has a few books. Not We'll see. Okay.